Andy.
I'm Peter.
I'm Andy.
I'm Casey.
I'm Sandy. I'm Winnie.
Today we are going to introduce our school dog, Black White.
Look, Black White is over there.
It's super cute and it looks very happy here.
Here is a video in his views to introduce itself.
Let's check it out.
I'm Black White. I am a happy school dog now, but I was a stray dog before. When I was homeless, I didn't know where to go and where to find food. I don't like rainy day because I had to find somewhere to hide. During the life on the street, I had some skin problems. Therefore, people are not so friendly to me. I really want to have a real home. Where could it be? Until one day, I came to this beautiful school, 大吉 Junior High School. People here treat me well. I really want to stay here forever. However, something bad happened one day. That's when EPA caught me, because they knew I was a stray dog. I saw many dogs like me. We were all locked in the cage. They told me I only had 12 nights to live. If no one got me out, I would die in the way of euthanasia. I was very depressed. Luckily, the chairperson of Parents-Teacher Association saved me. I was happy to be a free dog. I was once adopted by someone else, but I ran back to the school for 9 days. Finally, the school brings me into this big family. There are many voluntary students feeding me, playing with me, and taking care of me. They will take me to see the vets regularly. Besides, the school also holds some activities about me, and we will have a go for a ride day. I really enjoy it. Everyone in this school treats me really well. Here is my home. I'm Black White. I'm a lucky dog.
Wow, the story is very inspiring.
Indeed, our school shows great concern on the issue of stray dogs.
And when students also learn some life lessons from our school dog.
We learn how to take care of someone else.
We learn to be patient and responsible while taking care of it.
And also we learn how to love unconditionally.
Because that is exactly how Black White loves us.
Is it?
开始。开始。